back to 20 car. What is strength if not the poetry of motion wrapped in steel? The 2026 Ford F-750 Unofficial Concept isn't just a machine, it's a modern-day colossus, a rolling monument to what happens when ambition refuses to be boxed in. Where most vehicles settle for purpose, this beast pursues presence. Born of legacy and built for tomorrow, it rumbles with the wisdom of giants and the elegance of bold engineering. Inside, it's an executive bunker. Rich walnut inlays meet diamond-stitched leather seats. The cabin features a 22-inch 5K infotainment screen, digital rearview mirror, and haptic feedback steering. Acoustic insulation makes the cabin eerily serene for a truck this size. Technical specifications review. Powered by a hybridized 7.3 liters Godzilla V8 pushing 715 horsepower and 900 pounds-to-foot of torque, it uses a 10-speed E-shift transmission. It offers an intelligent AWD system, adaptive ride height, and reinforced military-grade suspension. Fuel consumption in city and highway. City, 16.4 liters 100 kilometers. Highway, 12.1 liters 100 kilometers. 0 to 100 kilometers height acceleration review. Unbelievably agile, 0 to 100 kilometers height in 6.7 seconds. It defies its mass with instant torque delivery and hybrid boost. Comparison with competitors. Leaves the Ram 5500 and GMC top tick gasping behind. It's more luxurious, more powerful, and more visionary in design. Car price. Expected MSRP, $128,500, steep, but no rival offers this scale of luxury and strength. Pros and cons. Pros, class-leading power, hyper-luxury interior, intelligent tech. Cons, oversized for urban streets, premium cost.